We've been having rain now for just about every other day for 30 days. I was falling behind schedule, so I took it upon myself to do a little research, and I went and picked myself up a Trailblazer. The Trailblazer was very stable, up the hill, down the hill. My guys could control it easily. It was nice to be able to adjust the sides of the Trailblazer to fit all my particular products, large, small. I could stack it up over the sides, and it had no problem transporting the weight up and down these hills. Thanks to that Trailblazer, I stayed on schedule and completed this project in a timely manner.